2. Choose your website, the target URL. 3. Navigate to the Links section on the left-hand side menu. 4. Under External Links, locate Top Linking Sites. This section displays the domains linking back to your site. How many backlinks do we need for a website? The ideal number of backlinks for a website varies based on factors like niche, industry competition, and SEO strategy. There is no universal quantity, as quality often surpasses quantity in backlink significance. Prioritize obtaining high-quality backlinks from authoritative and relevant sites. Aim for a diverse backlink profile with varied anchor texts and link types. Ultimately, the goal is to acquire backlinks that enhance the website's authority and credibility in search engine eyes. An established website should aim for around 40-50 backlinks to its homepage and between 0-100 backlinks to each individual web page to be competitive in terms of SEO. However, it's important to note that not all backlinks hold the same value. Higher authority links carry more weight in boosting SEO efforts. What is a high-quality backlink? A high-quality backlink is a do-follow link embedded within the body content of a reputable website directly relevant to your content. These backlinks should originate from authoritative domains in your industry and ideally include relevant keywords in the anchor text. To evaluate backlink quality, consider factors like domain authority, relevance, and the context of the link within the content. Additionally, examine the website's traffic